Assalamu alaikum, students of 10th class. This is Unit 3 of your English textbook. This is a poem named Try Again. This poem is actually about the importance of struggle in life. When someone struggles and tries again and again, he achieves his goals. He who loses hope and leaves trying, he cannot fulfill his higher aims and desires in his life. The writer is advising you that don't feel disappointed if your work is hard and don't pay heed to what people are saying or what the society is giving you the pressures. You just keep your struggle up in your life and success is yours. Let's read the poem. It's a lesson you should heed. Heed means to listen with attention. Try again. If at first you don't succeed, try again. Then your courage should appear. For if you will persevere, persevere means to persist, to continue what you intend to do. You will conquer. Conquer means win. Never fear, try again. In this stanza, it is said that it's a very important lesson of your life that you should not lose hope and keep on trying. And if you feel that you would not be succeeding in your life, you should reinvigorate your courage in yourself and persist, continue with what you are doing. And one day you will win. Once or twice, though you should fail, if you would at last prevail, prevail means to prove that you are powerful. Try again. If we strive, strive is struggle. It's no disgrace. Though we did not win the race, what should you do in that case? Try again. It means if you try again and again and you don't succeed, this is not a matter of disgrace or disrespect or something to be ashamed of. What should you do in that case? Just keep on trying. If you find your task is hard, try again. Time will bring you your reward. Try again. All that other folk can do, why with patience should not you? Folk means people, society. It means what other people can do with their courage and with their persistence. Why don't you? Why can't you? You can do that thing too. Only keep this rule in view. Try again. It means there must be this very important rule in your life of struggle, that you should not lose hope and keep on trying, because those people succeed in life who keep on trying. This is a summary of poem, and the poem, the main idea, the theme is explained to you. Read this summary. I've added some quotations in it. Quotations give your summary the weight and a good impression. And this is the rest of the part. The last line is very motivational. If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. Now come to the exercise. Vocabulary A. Find meanings of the following words. Heed, pay attention to. Persevere, continue, carry on. Strive, struggle or attempt. Case, a particular situation, जिसको हम generally case कहते हैं. Patience is uncomplaining or tolerance, sabr. Vocabulary B. Find synonyms of the following words. Courage, bravery, conquer, win. Disgrace, insult. बेइज्जत होना, जिसको आप उर्दू में कहते हैं. Hard, difficult, and reward, prize. These are questions answers. Read the question, try to understand it, and then write the answers. I have written the answers for you here. And these are the rest of the answers. I would like to remind you that the questions which are written in front of each stanza are also included in your syllabus. Prepare those answers by yourself. And look at question number 6. Give an example of struggle from your life. I have not written the answer of this question. I think you must share your personal experience here. That's good for you. Simile. Simile is a figure of speech in which two apparently unlike things are explicitly compared, usually in a phrase introduced by like or as. What is the meaning of the statement? It means when we compare two things by using like or as, it is called a simile. दो चीज़ों को compare करना है और like और as लगा के करना है, तो it is called a simile. There is an example for you. The day is as hot as fire. दिन इतना गर्म है जैसे आग. As hot as. ये जो as का word है ये compare कर रहा है दो चीज़ों को जो apparently unlike लग रही हैं. Second example is the clouds were looking like cotton balls. बादल ऐसे लग रहे थे जैसे कॉटन की बॉल्स हैं. Apparently बादल और कॉटन बॉल्स अनलाइक हैं, कोई एक जैसी चीज़ें नहीं हैंगे, बट सिमिली इसी चीज़ का नाम है कि दो अनलाइक चीज़ों को कंपेयर किया जाए और एज और लाइक का वर्ड यूज़ किया जाए. Select the choice that explains the meaning of the simile as it is used in the sentences. 1. On the cold winter day, under the covers, I kept as snug as a bug in a rug. The simile means, let me tell you the meanings of these words. Rug is a very soft carpet. Bug is definitely bug. And snug means to feel warm or cozy. Garam garam feel karna. So, what is the correct option? Yes, it is option B. I was cozy in my bed. 2. The new teacher was as sweet as apple pie. The simile means apple pie is something like cake, baked item or a tart, and apple pie is a food, is a dish which is really loved in Western world, and when something is compared with apple pie means that it is really sweet and it's really nice. So yes, option A is correct. The new teacher was nice. Their leader was as wise as an owl. The simile means, actually the owl is symbol of foolishness just in this area of subcontinent. In Western world, owl is the symbol of intelligence. That's why an owl, a picture of an owl is usually there on textbooks. So it means that, yes, option C, the leader knew a lot of things. 4. The shopping center was like a 3-ring circus the day before Eid. 3-ring circus means when some area is really disorganized and messy, rushy. It means, yes, the shopping center was really busy. 5. Danish threw such a temper outburst over such a tiny thing. He was acting like a baby. The simile like a baby means बच्चों की तरह react करना. So, yes, Danish was acting childish. Of course, छोटी छोटी बातों पे temper lose करना और outburst करना is really childish. 6. Mohsen was as explosive as a volcano when he found out his bike had been stolen. The simile as explosive as a volcano means volcano की तरह erupt होना. It means that, yes, Mohsen was angry. Fill in the blanks to make similes. Use these similes in sentences. Similes बनानी ही नहीं है, उनको sentences में भी इस्तेमाल करना है. 1. As a turtle. When we compare something with a turtle, what dominant feature or what dominant characteristic do we notice? Of course, it's laziness, it's slow pace. जब कोई बहुत सुस्त और lazy होता है तो फिर हम उसको turtle से compare करते हैं. So, as slow as a turtle. And the sentence is, my brother is as slow as a turtle. 2. As quiet as, itna silent, itna khamosh jaise. What thing is very silent? Is it a graveyard or nighttime? Paintings are also quiet as a painting. The ocean was as quiet as a painting. 3. As black. There are many things which are sheer black. As black as coal. Itna kala jaise koila. But you can also compare it with the crow or with night or hair. And the sentence is, the night is as black as coal. 4. As tall as, itna lamba jaise. Which thing is too much tall? It might be a tree, a mountain. Any simile can be compared to the feature of tall. As tall as a giraffe. I loved this simile, so I made the sentence. My uncle is as tall as a giraffe. Sorry to say. 5. As a lemon. What dominant feature of a lemon is compared to something? Its sour taste. Iska khatta hona. So, as sour as lemon. Her comment was as sour as a lemon. Of course, some people's comments are really sour. And 6 is as honey. And the dominant feature of honey is its sweetness. So we say, as sweet as honey. And your attitude is always as sweet as honey. Your exercise was getting much lengthy, so I thought that it must be divided into 2 parts. So your lesson is to be continued. We will meet again, inshallah.